Just got the exhaust pipe back from the young fella that removed the dents from it. It looks pretty good. Did a damn good job. I've already started trying to buff out some of the scratches here. But so you check it out, there was a dent there. There was a dent here. Focus. Somewhere, anyways. There was one back here. Still see a little ripple there, but that's at the back. So there was what, 4. 3 in the front and that one in the back. All I remember was there was one right here, kind of underneath the logo. You can still see a little hint of a crease there. I think there was one there. Well, there was one on the weld. Maybe here? I don't know. I'd have to check the pictures that I took beforehand. But yeah, looks great. I mean, looks better than great. Way better than dead, I guess. Still, you know, rusty. Some rust here. We're marshalling some scratches. Like I said, I started buffing out some of the scratches here, and once I'm done with the scratches, I'm gonna take it into work and run it through the sandblaster. Get a nice consistent dull finish to it, and then with any luck I'll put it in the electroplating tank there and get some nickel electroplated on there, make it shiny again and rust resistant. Yeah, I took a little break from the airbox here. I think that I'm going to go back before I put some black paint over these rivet heads. I think I'm going to take these 2 out and the corresponding 2 on the other side, and take the washer out from put a new rivet in without using the washer on this side, because it sticks out a bit. It's kind of a shame. Well, I like having the added strength of the extra surface area of that washer there. And it's funny, there's a recess in the plastic that's the exact size of the washer, so it's like it was meant to be in there. But again, if you want to put any kind of decal on, I guess the washer is just a little bit too thick, so it makes the head of the rivet stick out a little bit. So yeah, there'd be 2 visible bumps under the decal. So yeah, so I'm going to drill those 4 rivets out, put 4 new rivets in without the washer on the head side here, and then like I said, throw some black paint on it. And Jesus. Here's a look at some of the nickel plated parts. Get out of the light source here. They look pretty good, I think. I mean, not perfect, but they look like brand new parts. But yeah, I mean, pretty sweet. Especially, you know, like I said, compared to the shape they were in when they they came off. There's the rear axle there. Like that's gorgeous. Front axle. Actually had some of the nickel plating flake off here. Had to redo a little bit of that. But like wow, what a difference. Incredible. Anyways, I think I am done for the night. It's getting late, and I know if I pick something else up, I won't stop until wee hours of the morning. So time to shut it down. Okay, so I've been evicted from my workspace. I was told that the rec room belongs to the kids now, so I had to get all my stuff out of there. So I packed up all my musical gear and just threw it in the corner here. And I figured instead of moving all the bike parts, run the risk of maybe misplacing something, I thought I'd just get started on putting some stuff together, just to kind of clear out some of the boxes, I guess, and kind of gather some of the stuff into components that I can reassemble later in the overall final assembly. So I have everything that I need for the wheels and tires. I'll dug out and put together here. I'll probably just time lapse record one. So, I mean, they're both, you know, pretty similar assembly. Don't need to really bore you with redundancy. Okay, let's get started.